Hello, today we are going to talk about food and the effect food has got on your health, either maintaining your health or healing your body. Food is very important to your health. What you take into your body will either build you, that is, it forms the building blocks of your health, or it will destroy your health. Therefore, it is very important to look into anything you put into your mouth, and that means into your system. Now, we have basically in food, we have animal proteins, we have plant proteins, we have fruits, we have oils, and generally we have water, because also water is part of food because you put it in your system. Now, what is most important is to eat as much natural food as possible. Natural, that it is naturally grown. It is not good to go on looking for processed foods, because processed foods have got a lot of chemicals which eventually affect your system. And the kind of eating we have been taught, the kind of eating we have been seen from other parts of the world, from the Western world, is actually causing a lot of diseases. If you've been following up on the research which has been done, you will find out that communities in the Western side, they have got a lot of sicknesses in terms of diabetes, obesity, cardiac arrest, strokes, and the rest. And this is a result of what they are eating. Most of their foods have been highly processed. And this style of eating has also been brought to Africa. And therefore we are copying what the Western is doing. And therefore those diseases are also coming to affect us. Now, when we come to animal proteins normally are proteins gotten from animals, like beef, mutton, goats, fish, chicken, ducks, turkey, eggs from all those species, turkey, ducks, hens, all those are animal proteins. Same as butter, milk, cheese, and anything processed from those items, that is from milk. Those ones are animal proteins, and they are very good for your health. Then there are plant proteins. Plant proteins come basically from plants, like beans, peas, chickpeas, anything, legumes like groundnuts, and all those seeds and nuts, they have got their own proteins. Those ones normally are the plant proteins. And then we have got the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates generally come from mostly plants. Fruits have got carbohydrates. Wheat has got carbohydrates. Rice has got carbohydrates. There are a lot of carbohydrates in a lot of plant foods. Therefore, be aware when you are eating plant foods, because carbohydrates are also a source of a lot of diseases. Therefore, there is also the element of oils, the oils which you cook with. The oils which you cook with are very, very important, because some oils are very toxic. Like most seed oils are toxic. So avoid most of the seed oils, because they give us a lot of diseases. Use basically animal fats. Like you can use ghee, you can use butter, you can actually go to your local butcher and get fat from sheep, from goats, from cows, and process them in your home. You can use these ones to be able to cook with, because they are very healthy for you. So avoid seed oils. They are very, very, very toxic. Now, I want to tell you the source of most diseases in our country. Most of the diseases are caused by carbohydrates. A large intake of carbohydrates, that is wheat products, that is rice, that is potatoes, all sorts of potatoes, arrowroots, all those items which give you carbohydrates, even nuts and seeds which have got carbohydrates. This is the source of a lot of diabetes, a lot of insulin resistance, a lot of inflammation in your body, a lot of heart attacks are a result of excess carbohydrates in your body. So you need to limit the amount of carbohydrates you take, because this will cause you also obesity. And obesity is a sign that the body is trying to put all the toxins, most of the toxins into fat, so that they protect other organs which might be affected by the carbohydrates you're taking. Cakes. Most people love cakes, especially when you go for weddings, when we go for any of these ceremonies. You have things like chapatis. These are products of wheat. We have rice. We have mokimo. Those are products of potatoes and maize. We have ugari. All these, taken in large quantities, will end up destroying your health. So you have to limit them as much as possible. If you have any sickness with you, if you have got diabetes, if you have got obesity, if you have got high blood pressure, all those diseases are actually inflammation in the body. For you to reduce inflammation in the body, you have to take a lot of animal products, because animal products are basically proteins, so they don't have a lot of excess carbohydrates. So, for example, let's say you want to do an elimination diet so that you can find out what is ailing you. I would advise you to kind of go into the carnivore diet, so you take most of the animal products so that your inflammation reduces, so that your insulin resistance reduces. Myself, when I went into the carnivore diet, I was able to reverse my blood pressure within 1.5 months. Right now, I'm not taking blood pressure medicine. My sister, who was diabetic, was able to reverse her diabetes within 2 months. Now she is no longer on diabetic medicines. So for any disease, go on reduction diet. Do animal proteins. Eventually, when you stabilize your health, you can start increasing carbohydrates one by one, so that you can see which item is causing you body health problems. For example, these drinks we have, the sodas, the juices, they are very toxic to your body. You have to cut down a lot of sugar. Sugar is a killer. So try as much as possible to reduce or eliminate sugars completely from your diet, and any product which is made out of sugar or which has got sugar in it, because it will definitely fuel your body health deterioration. So if you want to improve your health, cut out the junk food. Cut out anything bought in a box. Like when we go to the supermarkets, and anything in a box, like ready-made cakes, ready-made bread, ready-made pastas, ready-made I don't know what, all those are very toxic to your body. You should be able to reclaim your health. You should be able to maintain your health by cutting down on these products which are causing us a lot of problems. Then, let's talk about the water. Water is life. We use water to cook. We use water to brush our teeth. We use water to bathe ourselves. Therefore, the source of water is very, very important. Make sure your water does not have a lot of chlorine. Chlorine is detrimental to your brain health. So take care of your brain health by reducing chlorine when you're brushing your teeth, when you're cooking, even when you're bathing. Why not? There are many ways of reducing chlorine within the system, within your water system. Even the water you drink, if you don't have a water purifier, boil your water, let it stand. The fluoride will evaporate, and therefore you are able to drink good water. Even your water, which you are cooking with it, don't take it straight from the tap. Fetch water, let it stand for an hour or more so that the fluoride gets out of the water. And then this is the water you are going to cook with. The same with brushing your teeth. Let's try not to poison our bodies, because what you are taking into your mouth, into your body system, is what is affecting your health, is what is improving your health. So take items, take food, take water to improve your health. Do not take water or food which is going to deteriorate your health. As I say, in junk, out junk. You eat junk, you get junk health. You eat healthy, you get healthy food. Thank you for listening to me. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.